Hi everyone, it's Renee Southam sharing with you some wonderful tech tools. Today I just wanted to share with you a tool that I really love. It's called Commonlit, and there's a couple reasons why, so I'm just going to highlight those reasons. First of all, you have a library like many reading curriculums that are online do. But this one in particular has the foresight to establish the themes. Of course, they have grade levels, but they have text sets, text pairings, and themes. So you can actually come in and say, hey, I want to do beauty and happiness, and find certain things, or a unit on fables, and you'll find all the materials that you need. It's really, really nice how they've done their library. It has the Lexile level and also the genre. So with that, I'm going to go to the next screen. So some of the things I really love about this particular site are their data piece is unmatched. A teacher that was really smart made this program. It takes me seconds to grade things on this site and the wealth of data that I have. So I can literally have my kids do an assignment, then I can go ahead and have me check their work and then pull them for small group all in the same day. It's brilliant. And correcting an essay doesn't usually take a second, but it really does the way that they've set it up. So I've blocked out the names so that I could show you. So you can see how this is just a little bit of some of the interface for their assessment piece. So they actually have guided reading where you read the text and then you answer questions. And you can tell by how many attempts it takes them to answer. And this is the guided reading component. Won't let them read on until they answer the question correctly. So they have a basic understanding of what it is for the most part. And then also down here, this is the assessment piece that's second after guided reading. And you can click on these parts. There are links that will take you right to the question. So you can get to anything really fast. And then I love this piece right here. It says Unsubmit. So after the kids read and answer questions, and let's say you pull them for small group and say, hey, teach them, what looking at their data, teach them what mistakes they made. Then you can actually just say, would you like to go and improve your score? And now that you understand this better, and they'll be like, sure. And you just press that one button, Unsubmit, and it sends all their information back so that they can go and improve their score. I mean, it is so powerful and takes seconds again. It has incomplete assignments, easy for you to see. And now I want to take you to the actual grading because this is why I love it. So this is another screen, and I blocked off names, but I wanted you to see how the text and the answer, a good answer, is here for you just to remind you so it's really teacher friendly. But here they have the list of the students, and here's the essay question that is always the last question to answer is here. And you can see that there is a place where you press assign score. So I can read it and give them a score. And then save and next. It's fast. They feel happy, splish splash dance, and I can just say, okay, that's about a 2. Save and next. And I can literally get through my entire class in seconds. So check this out if you have not and you are in a grade from even third on up. It is fabulous for it. And I squeeze it into the end of second grade. So check it out. It's a game changer for data. All right.